If you're just saving money in your bank account, you're actually losing money every single year. And you don't even realize it. Let me explain how. In today's video, we'll uncover what exactly is investing and why just saving is not enough anymore. What is investing? Investing simply means putting your money to work, so it earns more money for you. You can invest in stocks, mutual funds, gold, real estate, bonds, or even your own skills. Instead of your money sitting idle in your bank, investing allows it to grow over time. Let's say you save 10,000 rupees every month in your savings account, which gives around 3% interest per annum. After 1 year, you get about 10,300 rupees. But inflation in India is around 6% to 8%. That means in real terms, your 10,000 rupees is worth less next year. Now imagine you invested in a good mutual fund earning 12% annually. That's where the magic of compounding will begin in long term. Let's understand this with higher interest instrument than savings account. Now, let's assume that you are saving 5,000 rupees per month for 10 years. So, at 12% CAGR, this will become around 11.6 lakhs in mutual funds. But in FD at 6.5% CAGR, it will be only 8.47 lakhs. The gap is huge, and that's why investing matters. People are scared due to some common myths, which are: first, I don't have enough money to invest. You can start with as low as 100 rupees in SIPs. Second, investing is risky. But not investing is more risky due to inflation, as we just saw. Third, I'll invest when I earn more. Time is more important than money when it comes to investing. So, starting today is the best option even if you are saving low amount. So now you know, saving is safe, but investing is smart. Let me know in the comments. Where do you currently keep most of your money? In the next video, we'll talk about inflation and how it silently eats your savings. Keep learning and keep growing. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our next video.